Welcome to another video, and today we're going to be talking about animation and including the ones which you can use and post it anywhere using FlipaClip. Let's see them. Discovered about this application a few days ago, and what the hell? Yeah. So anyways, I discovered about this application a few days ago and I found many interest in it. I have created Titanic, the T-Rex, my first FlipaClip as well. Did a tutorial of this, and today I'm going to show you how you can create some crazy things here. Okay, so let's start off. I'm here in landscape mode, and basically what you can do is once you go to this pencil, you'll have to choose this metric thing, and then you can choose the type of shape which you're drawing. If you are just drawing a line, then you can just follow this line, circle, and you can just follow the circle. And this is the most easiest and most convenient method. You can make it like an eyeball as well, like I'm doing here. Then you can just go towards your pencil and follow these lines. And once you've done that, you have officially created what you call it, an eye with ease. And let me just show you the other things as well. I've officially created the animation. It takes a lot of time, like you saw in the montage. I hopefully know it took a lot of time, and I just realized I think that so basically I just done this. It just goes on like this. It's eye animation, and I just started, so it looks perfect and it matches as well. If you have to do any animation, I suggest FlipaClip. Really simple as well. Not only that, I'm pretty sure as well that you can add some music. I think if you so you can make it a movie as well. If you have any sound effects, you can literally add it using here. I am gonna add it and post it in my shorts videos, so be sure to check that out as well. And that's pretty much it. Wait one second. Just show this animation once again, and see you guys later. Bye bye. Subscribe.